Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make strawberry stitch. I use red and green color. So we start with the red. First I make 20 chain. The first row, make single crochet in each stitch. Now I finish the first row, I will start the second row. One chain and turn. And make single crochet 3 times. One, two, three, and make double crochet 5 times in the same stitch. One, two, three, four, and 5. After repeat the pattern, 3 single crochet, 5 double crochet. Now I finish the second row. I have 4 patterns now. 3 single crochet, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last 3 single crochet and slip stitch. Now I will change the color to the green color. Start with this side, I turn. I start with 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and next I will make single crochet 5 together. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the last slip stitch in the last stitch here. Repeat the same pattern. 3 single crochet and 5 single crochet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last 3 single crochet. Now I finish the third row and slip stitch to close the third row and turn my work. Change the color. Next use the red color. I start with 1 single crochet and next make double crochet 5 times in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and next make a single crochet 3 times. The first time close with this stitch, 1, and skip 1 stitch here and make in next stitch 2, and skip 1 stitch, make next stitch, skip here and come here, and continue until the last. I finish the 4th row and the last stitch, and we make single crochet and slip stitch. I turn my work and start the 5th row. I start with the green. The first stitch I will make single crochet, one single crochet, and next I will make single crochet 5 together. Two, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch in the last stitch. And next make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. This is one pattern, and repeat the pattern until the last. The next row just repeat the same pattern like 2, 3, 4, 5.